Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on Samsung Galaxy A17. Okay, so let's open up the settings. Now we need to scroll down until we find Accounts and Backup. And let's begin with the Samsung Cloud. Click on Backup Data. To perform a Samsung Cloud backup, you need to be logged into your Samsung account. That's the thing which is necessary. And now we need to simply select the things that you want to backup. In my case, I want everything except the apps. Once you have selected the things that you want, click on Backup Now. Now the process will start, so we need to wait a little. Okay. Oh, actually I have selected the apps. My bad. Okay, and now the backup has been successfully made, and now it's stored in our Samsung accounts cloud. That's the first method. The second method is to use the Google Drive. Now click on Backup Now. When it comes to the Google backup, the backup will be stored on your Google account that you are currently logged into. I will show you where to check your current Google account, which you are logged into. Now the process has started, so I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, now I'm back. The backup has been successfully made. And now I'll show you where to find the Google account that you're currently logged into. Simply go back, and under Accounts and Backup you have the Google account that you're currently selected. So, for example, if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into that Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Okay, next thing is the external storage transfer. I cannot show you how to use the smart switch because it only works, when we want to backup into other device. When you download the smart switch on any other device which is not a Samsung, it will cause this that on the second device you only will be able to send the data, not gain it from this device. So I cannot show you that, but don't worry. Let's go into the external storage transfer, which is, in my opinion, is even better. Now we need to plug our USB storage, for example, or an SD card, and it will appear right in here. So give me a second and I will plug my device in. Okay, so now I'll plug it in. And now the option should appear on the screen. Okay, here it is. Now select backup to USB storage in my case. Now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. It shouldn't take much time. Okay, and now simply select the things that you want to backup. You can select everything. It will be 12 gigabytes of data. In my case, I'll only want to backup calls, contacts, and messages. You can also click on the custom and set the things that you want to backup. Okay, now the process will start. In my case, it won't take long. We should be done any second. Okay, click on Next, all set, click on Done, and that is all. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.